Hey guys, my name is Stanley and I'm from RC Tank Legion. Thank you for watching my channel. So today we're going to show you what we have done with our battlefield so far. As you can see over here, the trees have grown. It's been about 4 weeks in now. We've been putting fertilizers and watering it every day, installing a sprinkler system. Basically making sure it will be ready in time for our next event in July 13th and 14th. It will be held here in Utropolis. As you can see over in the background, you can see the abandoned town, which is made from concrete, and then as you can see, there's a church in the background as well. And we will be showing you a perspective view of the battlefield. I will be taking you for a drive on the battlefield today, and you'll be able to see what it looks like from that angle. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the tour of our battlefield today, and it's interesting to see from a different perspective of how the battlefield looks like. It looks very different from the tank's perspective. We hope to have FPV IR battle games in the near future, preferably maybe in October or something like that. If that's going to happen, it's going to be running on the Tamiya code protocol. Excuse me. That's a timer for the water sprinkler system, as you can see. If you can see in the background, we are watering our plants at the moment, and we are using a nice sprinkler system that doesn't use too much water. It's called micro sprinklers. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you like my t-shirt, check it out. This is the Leopard 2 jersey design, and it's made from a cool fit type material, very cooling, it dries real quick, great to be wearing this when you're in the outdoors. And the best part is the print is not like silk screen where you can feel the heat. If it's hot, you can feel the printer part doesn't breathe as much. So this is really great. This will be available in our web store, rctanklegion.com. Check it out, and it will be available in all sizes, and there will be more designs coming up soon. And if anybody wants to make custom jerseys for their tank clubs, please feel free to contact me by my email. And as always, thank you for watching.